I'm Tina Carpenter. I spent 38 years in the military I retired as a sergeant, but I was an MC op the whole career. So I've been around, seen lots of places, some I didn't care to see, but overall, yeah, I'm done. I found, once I retired, I felt like a square peg trying to fit into a round hole. Like I missed the camaraderie, I missed the like-minded people, and I found going to different civilian organizations, it wasn't the same, and it was too hard for me to actually fit in, where I used to be very, very much of an extrovert person, kind of. I turned into an introvert, and I know that's not a healthy way to be, so I wanted to come here to get some tools for a toolbox so I could better my life as a person, as a grandmother, as a wife, as a mom, and as an overall friend. Oh, how has this retreat impacted me? Oh my goodness. First coming here, I was a little apprehensive, as I've never really attended all women's groups where my trade was very male dominated and I was used to just men. But after having the interview with yourself, Reed, and with Lise, it really gave me I don't want to use the word incentive, but I guess the incentive to come. And I'm so glad I came, because I feel very empowered being here with all these lovely women that were on my Roto. I can't ask for a better experience. And I wish the same thing for any other struggling woman or soldier in particular. Any soldier, male or female, but I'm more with the women. But oh, the activity that resonated with me the most, I'll have to say, is the volunteering. The volunteering with these lovely people are just, it's so heartwarming to see the innocence that's still in people to this day. And just to see them and how they welcome you with open arms. We're total strangers to them, but they're like, come on, let's color together, you know? And I really, it's got a special place in my heart for them, as well as I did enjoy the cold plunge. At first I thought, oh my God, you're on glue, you must be on crickets or something. But after you do it, it is so mind clearing, and oh, I don't know how to describe it. You'll have to do it for yourselves and give it a shot. Workshops. I have to say the one on safety, because we really talked about different aspects, and especially being a woman out in today's world, it's my head's constantly on a swivel. It always has been. But the way we approached it here wasn't a topic to be scared of, where in the past there's no such thing as a safe place. But Camp Aftermath provided that and made it safe. Any veteran wanting to come here, please do it. Please do it. Don't be apprehensive. Take advantage of it. The counselors are absolutely amazing. I can't ask for better counselors. The one-on-one is phenomenal, and the fact that we didn't really have to make appointments to see you. I could just go, hey, can I speak to you about an issue? Which was great with you, with Maria, with Lise, with Dr. Chu. It was amazing. I can't ask for a better experience and better counselors. My overall experience at Camp Aftermath has got to be the fact that I feel so empowered for the first time in a very, very long time. And I can only thank Camp Aftermath for that, and the people on my Roto for making it happen. So I suggest it to everybody to give it a shot. You don't know what you're missing. It's been such a great experience. I don't really want to go home.